Hello dear students, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I welcome you to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to explain chapter 4. Okay. And the chapter name is Operating System. Okay students, so let us start. Dear students, as you all know, a special setup program that handles all the action or function of a computer and makes it work properly is called an operating system. An operating system is also known as OS. It acts as a medium between a computer and its users. Dear students, Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating system for computers. Some version of Windows operating system are Windows 95, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10. Okay, and dear student, Windows 10 is the latest version of Microsoft Windows operating system. Okay, dear students, Windows 10 has various features that makes it so popular, like it is very easy to use. You can open and work on multiple programs at a time. It has various improved features and tools such as Show Desktop, Quick Launcher, and so on. It has a start button, search facility. Windows 10 has features like Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. So dear students, our first topic is desktop and its components. So let us start. I am going to show you, this is the desktop screen. Here you can see when you will start your computer, after booting computer, the image that will show on your monitor, the first image, that is called desktop. So dear students, this is a desktop. Okay, the opening screen of Windows is called the desktop. It has a small labeled picture on it known as icons. Dear students, these all are the small labeled picture is known as icons. These all are the icons. Okay. Dear students, desktop screen indicate that the computer is ready to use. Okay. Here you can see this is the start button and the long horizontal bar. You can see bottom of the desktop. This is a task bar and this is the show desktop button. Okay. So dear students, look here, this is the start button. This button is present at the extreme left side of the taskbar. When you will click on it, then a list of options will be open, which is known as start menu. Like this, I have clicked on it, then the start menu has gone opened. Okay students, the start menu is divided in two parts. This start menu is divided in two parts. First is left pane and second is right pane. Okay students? Dear students, all program option is present at the bottom of the left pane. Here you can see all program option. Okay, and the right pane shows the item that appear as links or menus to the commonly used program, and the shut down button to switch off the computer is also present at the bottom of this pane. It means, dear students, you can find shut down button in the right pane of start menu. Okay, this is the shut down button. If you want to shut down your computer system, then you have to just click over here, and then after here you can see, do you want to save the change of document or you want to force shut down. So I have opened a document here, MS Word. So due to this reason I will not shut down. Okay students. So our next topic is search box. Dear students, search box is located at the bottom left corner of the desktop, and the search box is used to search the personal computer. It helps launch apps, settings and documents in Windows 10. Okay students, but this is not a Windows 10 operating system. We are just working on I will show you. This is the Windows 7 operating system. Okay, here you can see this is the Windows 7 Ultimatum. This is not a Windows 10 operating system. Okay students. Now the third topic is notification area. So dear students, notification area is present on the right side of the taskbar. It shows the current date and time, volume, internet connectivity and some other small icons. These icons show the notification about the program running on a computer. Dear students, here you can say this is the notification area. Okay, here you can see volume, okay, internet connectivity and the messages, and beside of this you can see here is a show desktop button. This button is present at the rightmost corner of the taskbar. Clicking on this button activate the desktop screen and minimize all the open program. Okay, I am going to maximize this application MS Word, and look here students, when you will click on the show desktop button, then the open program will be minimized and your desktop will be active like this. I have clicked here and the MS Word document has gone minimized. Okay, this is the use of show desktop button. And now the next topic is, our next topic is changing the position of taskbar. Okay students, you can change the position of your taskbar according to your need. Your topic is changing the position of taskbar. Dear students, as you all know, by default the taskbar is present at the bottom of the desktop, but you can change its position to any of four sides of the screen: bottom, left, right and top. Okay students, so let's do it. Look here students, this is your taskbar. Dear students, if you want to change the position of your taskbar, then you have to follow some steps. First of all, click on the blank portion of the taskbar. Okay, so this area is blank, so I have to click here. And then step 2 is press and hold the left mouse button and then drag the taskbar to any place on the screen, like this. Okay, like this, and release the mouse button after you have moved the pointer to the desired position on the screen. Look here, now the taskbar is right side of the desktop, and if you want to change the position on the top, then you have to just click over here and then drag your mouse pointer. Look here students, the taskbar is replaced on the top of the desktop, and then if you want to change its position to left, so you have to just click over here and drag and release. Okay, and again I want to replace this on the bottom of the desktop screen, so you just click over here and drag your mouse pointer and release the mouse button. Okay students, so this is the steps to change the position of taskbar. Okay students, bye bye, have a good day, and the next topic I will explain in my next video. Bye bye students.